The story of the tortoise and the bird. A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs, it has no roof, and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest." "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and it is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it, and I like it," said the bird. "I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of my shell, though." The bird replied, "On the contrary, my home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home." So, what do you learn from this story? The story says, better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion.